The future is here. Innovation drives transformation. At Protech, we believe in making the power of automation accessible, precise, and intelligent. Powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, this robotic arm can sense, think, and act with unmatched precision. Every motion is calculated, every task optimized. It's not just machinery, it's intelligent execution in action. Forget complex programming. With intuitive drag-and-drop software, setting up workflows becomes effortless. Plug-and-play installation means you're up and running in no time, making automation truly accessible. From workshop floors to high-precision manufacturing lines, our AI robotic arm is revolutionizing production. Businesses are seeing stronger output, reduced errors, and elevated product standards, all through smart automation. Protech AI robotic arm, the future of automation is within your reach.
这方面其实对于我们品牌提升还是很显著的。我们在所有的客人看到我们的产品，看到我们的设备之后，他们都有信心啊。所以这方面呢，当然这个也要靠我们的营销，也要靠我们的生产质量把控，啊，这方面都是一个综合性的因素啊。当然从根本上说呢，这个设备也给了我们的信心，我们在对客人讲的时候，我们底气更足。我希望更多人用上这台机器，我们让这台机器更加完善，更加智能化。
Visit us at www.protechp.com to learn more and discover what intelligent automation can do for your business.